Hello everyone. Now, today I am going to start the most important topic for 12th standard. 4 questions, 8 marks. Differentiation. Now, I will divide the topic in number of parts and accordingly the videos will come. First part, very important, inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function. Look, now all of you have studied well for last 1 year and all of you are well aware of this formula. Inverse trigonometric function is totally based on these 6 formulas and all formulas of compound angles. Again I am telling you, no need to read this book, this book, this book, this book. Do your textbooks well. Do all the formulas well. Now, MSTCT require 2 important things: accuracy and speed. You must get answer in 30 seconds on an average. 30 to 40 seconds on an average. Now, derivatives of inverse trigonometric function. First, all of you have to by heart these 6 formulas, and already you have by hearted these formulas, that I am aware of this. Now, some very important trigonometric formulas. First one, the most important one, sine inverse of sine x. True for 80. True for all trigonometric function. Means, look, there are 6 formulas: cos inverse of cos x, tan inverse of tan x, cot inverse of cot x, sec inverse of sec x, cosec inverse of cosec x is x. Very important. Then you have the pair formula. Pair. Look, that is clear from these formulas also. Sine inverse and cos inverse both have the same expression. Only C. Look, all C's have negative derivative. Sine का pair cos, tan का pair cot, sec का pair cosec. Sine का pair cos, tan का pair cot, sec का pair cosec. Very important. Very important. Now, let us start some important concepts. First one, y equal to sine inverse of sine 3x. Sine inverse of sine 3x. Those who know the concept well, they can directly use this formula. Otherwise, what happen? Few students, they start using formula of sine 3 theta. No, that is not needed. Look, so applying the formula, sine inverse of sine x, so sine of sine 3x, y equal to 3x. Now you can differentiate easily. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to 3. dy by dx is equal to 3. Next, y equal to cos inverse of sine 6x. Cos inverse of sine 6x. Now, here obviously nobody remember the formula of sine 6x. But we know. What we know? Pair. How to convert sine in terms of cos and how to convert cos in terms of sine. Look, again we have 6 formulas. Sine 90 minus theta cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. Sin का pair cos. Tan 90 minus theta cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta tan theta. Tan का pair cot. Sec 90 minus theta cosec theta and cosec 90 minus theta sec theta. So remember again the pair. Sin का pair cos. Tan का pair cot. Sec का pair cosec. So we know cos inverse of cos theta will be theta. So cos inverse of sin x, I can write how to convert sin in terms of cos 90 minus. So that is cos 90 minus 6x. So according to formula what we have, pi by 2 minus 6x. So when you differentiate dy by dx, rate of constant is 0. Rate of minus 6x minus 6. Answer is minus 6. Now most of you will tell, "Arey sir, what you are teaching? Simple thing, we already know." Look, what is the answer? What is the answer? Minus 6. What is the answer? Minus 6. What is the answer? Minus 6. Again you tell, "Sir, these are simple things we know." And you are telling, "Sir, you are going to explain some extraordinary shortcuts." Now, look, all these things are needed for theory, for board exams. For CT, you have to get the answer in 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Like, answer, 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 answer. Look, see the concept. Same मतलब same answer. Pair मतलब ulta answer. So whenever you have pair condition, in one step you can write down the answer. I think most of you now got my point. For example, tan inverse of tan 4x. What is the answer for? You can directly write down the answer. Answer is always the coefficient of x. No need to write any step. And suppose you have cot inverse of cot 6x. Cot inverse of tan 6x. So now look, pair. So in one step you can write down the answer. Answer is minus 6. So look, always remember in this type of sum, same मतलब same answer, pair मतलब उल्टा आंसर मतलब negative coefficient of x. So look, sec inverse of cosec 4x. What is the answer? Minus 4. कितना टाइम लगा? 2 seconds. So these are the important concept to be remembered. Same मतलब same answer, pair मतलब उल्टा answer. So you'll get the answer directly. Now, next part, higher level of sums. Y equal to tan inverse 1 minus sin 4x 1 plus sin 4x. Now, all of you know these are the textbook level sums. Take time, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. But in MHT CT you have to get answer within 30-40 seconds. So first, look at the solution. Complete solution. First, use of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta directly you know sin 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin 4x I can write as 2 sin 2x cos 2x. 1 plus 2 sin 2x cos 2x. So that is tan inverse. Now 1 I can write as cos square 2x plus sin square 2x minus 2 sin 2x cos 2x. Similarly, denominator I can write as cos square 2x plus sin square 2x minus 2 sin 2x cos 2x. So now your numerator become cos 2x minus sin 2x the whole square, and your denominator become cos 2x plus sin 2x the whole square. Cos 2x minus sin 2x the whole square, cos 2x plus sin 2x the whole square. Finally, square and square root eliminates. So now you are left with this. Now you are left with this. But you know, tan inverse, so you should have tan of something, because tan inverse of tan x x. So to get answer in terms of tan, what we do? We divide by cos. tan inverse divide by cos. When you do 1 minus tan 2x, 1 plus tan 2x. So that is equal to now tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus 2x. Now tan inverse of tan theta is theta. So what do you have? Pi by 4 minus 2x, y equal to. So when you differentiate, answer is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. Now this is complete theory solution. So similarly, if you have y equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x. So that will be tan inverse 1 minus cos 2 theta. What is the formula? 2 sin square theta. 2 cos square theta. Cut. So tan inverse of tan x. What is the answer? X. So when you differentiate, answer is 1. Answer is 1. So again, you need to write number of steps, but for theory. But my students are extraordinary. You must get answer in 10-20 seconds. So again, look and remember the logic told by me. Same logic. Now in this type of sum, whenever you have tan and sin cos, again remember the same logic. Sin matlab same sin. Sin matlab same sin. Sin matlab same sin. So whenever you have this type of sum, always look at the sign of numerator. And if it is sine function, look, sign is negative here. Look, sign is negative here. So answer is always half of coefficient of x. Remember the important part. This type of sum, answer is always half of coefficient of x. Answer is always half of coefficient of x. So look, x का coefficient 4, उसका half 2. But sign मतलब same sign. Answer is minus 2. So in one step you will get the answer. In one step you get the answer. Similarly, cos मतलब उल्टा sign. So look, cos मतलब उल्टा sign. माइनस है तो आंसर किस में आएगा? प्लस में. और आंसर इज ऑलवेज हाफ ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x. x का कोएफिशिएंट कितना है? 2. 2 का हाफ 1. तो look, answer is 1. In one step you will get answer. Look, in one step you get the answer. In one step you get the answer. Let us revise more examples. Now look. बोलो मेरे साथ. y equal to tan inverse 1 plus sin 6x 1 minus sin 6x. What is the answer? Sin मतलब same sign plus. Answer is half of coefficient of x. So 3. Look, in one step you get answer. Next, y equal to tan inverse 1 plus cos 6x 1 minus cos 6x. हमेशा न्यूमरेटर का साइन देखना है. Now, cos मतलब उल्टा साइन. तो ऊपर प्लस है तो आंसर माइनस में आएगा. Answer is half of coefficient of x. What is the answer? Minus 3. Now look, you get answer in one step. You get answer in one step. You get answer in one step. Remember the logic and note down. Sin मतलब same sign. Cos मतलब उल्टा sign. Answer is always half of coefficient of x. Answer is always half of coefficient of x. Answer is always half of coefficient of x. Now बहुत लोग बोलेंगे तुक्के से आ गया. No. Look. Number of times you have this type of sum. Number of sums in textbook. Normal method. 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2. Sin x, अरे क्या फॉर्मूला है? हाँ, sin 2 थीटा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta. So that is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. 2 cut 1 sin cut. So tan inverse tan x by 2. So now you know tan inverse of tan x. So x by 2. So when you differentiate dy by dx is 1 by 2. Now you got the answer, you are happy, but then you saw you are sitting alone in the classroom. पेपर खत्म हो गया, आप लिख ही रहे हो सॉल्यूशन. ऐसे नहीं होता है. 30 सेकंड में आंसर आना चाहिए, 20 सेकंड में आंसर आना चाहिए. तो ये मैंने जो लॉजिक बताया, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. नाउ लुक, ऊपर कौन है? कॉस. कॉस मतलब उल्टा साइन, तो माइनस है तो क्या आएगा? प्लस. आंसर इज हाफ ऑफ कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स. एक्स का कोएफिशिएंट कितना है? 1. 1 का हाफ. Answer. Now look, in one step we'll get a final answer. So please remember the logic. This will help you in number of sums of this type. Answer is always half of coefficient of x. कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवामि सहितं नमामि. हर हर महादेव.